Good morning, welcome back to the channel. Today we're finally gonna go for that test drive on my brother's Talon. So I got the drones with me, I got some equipment with me. So we're gonna meet up with my other brother who also has a 2G DSM, and we're gonna go ahead and go on this little cruise / test drive and see if we can set those rings in. Get some vacuum on it, and then you know, just to get some miles on that car already, so we can go ahead and get those miles in there, so we can go ahead and you know, get set up for the tune and see what kind of sauce comes up, what kind of jam it makes. So the plan is to meet up, go over the car one more time just to make sure we're all good, and then hit the road. Gonna get a couple shots from get some drone shots up there, maybe get some awesome pics so the car can cool down for a little bit. And then once we're done there, we're gonna go ahead and head back down, and it's gonna be mostly downhill so we can be able to build some vacuum. So right now I'm on my way to my brother's house to go ahead and go over the car with him, just to make sure he didn't miss anything. Get the essential tools, load up my equipment. I'll be riding with him, and then my brother's gonna be tagging along, following us in his DSM. So let's go ahead and do this. We're gonna go ahead and take a quick little drive. My brother with the red 2G doesn't live far. Let's go and see what we get ourselves into. Here we go. Alright, looks like I'm the first one here.
Great practical joke, Jim. Got me go to the annex.
Go again.
No, God!
Go again.
No, God, please, no! 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 No!
Did it start yesterday?
Yeah.
That didn't go as planned. Finally under its own power. Oh, this guy. Ah, damn it. 1,000 every gear. Alright guys, so we made it. We got a couple miles in here. I had to wait for the GoPro to charge up, but it's what we're working with here. We're all good. Made it. How'd it run?
What?
How'd it run? Yeah.
Good?
Yeah. Look at the view, guys. It's a cool little spot. Well, she made it, guys. That build took some time, but I'm sure, I don't know where he's at, but I'm sure it was worth it. It sounds mean, it's really healthy, it's sturdy, solid. Air fuels were almost on point. I think it came out real good. Really happy with the way it came out, the way it turned out. I just gotta trim up the front bumper a little bit. So since he's running the Talon, this is the punishment front bumper. This is the Talon front bumper, the 2 GB front bumper, and we're running that punishment front mount. So we got to do a little bit of trimming on the front and then get that bumper in there. We didn't have time to do so, so we just went ahead and riding dirty a little bit. So we came out here. We shouldn't be any problems out here. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the drone. What's that?
Last time we came over here to Talon.
I know, that's what I told him. I'm gonna get the drone and get some footage real quick. It's looking really good here. I brought both the mini Mavic and the Mavic Pro 2, so I think I'm gonna bust out the Mavic Pro 2 for video. So alright guys, I think from here we're just gonna take a couple pics, a couple videos, and then I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. For the next step, I think, well, like I said, we're gonna do some little details here and there. Straighten out some of the wiring, get that bumper on there, get everything nice and tight, and see if we can set up. We're gonna try to do our own, get the tune in. We got a couple logs in, so we're gonna mess with that. And to make the big power, I think he's gonna do an oil change or two, get some miles in there, and then we're gonna go set up for a tune and see what kind of jam she makes. So as far as the vlog, we're gonna go ahead and end it here. I'm gonna do another video on the way back. We're gonna go ahead and do a little time lapse on the way back, and throw some footage. And just go ahead and subscribe, hit that notification bell, share, comment, do whatever you got to do. If it's good comments, put it on there. If it's negative, go ahead and put it on there. Like I said before, negative comments turn into positive, you know. And if I need to change something, I will. This is why we do these things. All right guys, I'll go ahead and signing out. Later.